Hey there, everyone. Have you ever wondered if Ally Bank, that online-only financial institution, actually has any physical locations? It's a question that's popped up in my mind more than a few times. So, today, we're going to dive deep into the world of Ally Bank and find out if they've decided to break free from the digital realm and step into the real world. Building context: the rise of online banking. Before we get into the specifics of Ally Bank, let's talk a bit about the broader trend of online banking. Over the past decade or so, we've seen a significant shift towards digital financial services. Banks like Ally, along with many others, have capitalized on this trend by offering convenient, accessible, and often more affordable banking options. Ally Bank, a brief overview. Ally Bank, for those who aren't familiar, is a member FDIC-insured online bank that offers a variety of financial products, including savings accounts, checking accounts, CDs, and auto loans. They've gained a reputation for their high interest rates and customer-friendly approach. But does this online-only model mean they're completely absent from the physical world? The myth of Ally Bank's physical locations. Let's address the elephant in the room. Ally Bank does not have any physical branches. That's right, you won't find Ally Bank storefronts in bustling city centers or suburban shopping malls. Their entire operation is conducted online, making them a true pioneer in the digital banking space. Reasons for the online-only model. Now, you might be wondering why Ally Bank has chosen to stick with this online-only model. There are a few key reasons. Cost efficiency: operating solely online eliminates the need for expensive physical branches, overhead costs, and staffing. This allows Ally to pass on savings to customers in the form of higher interest rates. Convenience: online banking offers unparalleled convenience. Customers can access their accounts 24/7 from anywhere with an internet connection. There's no need to worry about branch hours or traffic. Focus on technology: Ally Bank can invest more heavily in technology and innovation, providing customers with cutting-edge features and tools. This includes mobile apps, online bill pay, and other digital conveniences. But what about customer service? While Ally Bank may not have physical branches, they still offer excellent customer service. They have a dedicated customer support team available by phone, email, and live chat. Plus, their website and mobile app provide comprehensive resources and FAQs to help customers find answers to their questions. So, is Ally Bank right for you? The decision of whether to choose Ally Bank ultimately depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're comfortable with online banking and appreciate the convenience and potential cost savings, Ally Bank could be a great option. However, if you prefer the personal touch of a traditional brick-and-mortar bank, you may want to explore other options. Conclusion. To recap, Ally Bank does not have any physical locations. They're a purely online bank that offers competitive interest rates, convenient features, and excellent customer service. Whether or not Ally Bank is the right choice for you depends on your personal banking habits and preferences. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Ally Bank or opening an account, I encourage you to visit their website or check out the links in the description below. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And be sure to subscribe for more informative and engaging content. Until next time.